Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find interlude templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button. But the project section you can find your old videos and project. Actually, if you want to find different templates, click to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen, and if you want to find interlude templates, go to the lower bar and click to the interlude button and just select one, and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.